The case against Tucker Cipriano and Mitchell Young intensified today with damaging testimony against them from a friend.
They are accused of killing Cipriano's father in Farmington Hills and badly beating his mom and brother. 7 Action News reporter Tom Wade is in the newsroom now. And Tom, he basically told the judge this whole thing was planned.
That's correct, Joanne and Diana. In fact, the friend that took the stand today said that he was with Tucker Cipriano and Mitchell Young the night this whole thing went down. Now, we did have Tara Edwards in the courtroom today, and she'll have a full report for us coming up in just a little bit. She is gathering more information there. But testifying today first was Ian Zinderman. He says he was with Tucker Cipriano and Mitchell Young, as I mentioned, the night of the brutal beatings and murder. Zinderman says he, Tucker, and Mitchell Young went to the Cipriano house 2 times before the attacks. He says Tucker and Mitchell Young, Mitchell was also known as Roderick, were considering targeting the Cipriano's neighbors, but decided against it because they were not as, quote, well off as the Ciprianos. Zinderman says after they went to the Ciprianos' home twice and stole a credit card and a gift card, they went out and bought synthetic pot, or K2 spice. Eventually, Zinderman says there was talk of murder. He says he wanted no part of it. So Zinderman says Tucker and Mitchell, or Roderick, started talking about their plans for the beatings.
It was decided that Tucker was going to go after his 2 brothers, and Roderick was going to go after the mom and the dad. From what I understand, yeah, they're supposed to go for the mom and the dad, and Roderick was supposed to go for the sister. From what I understand.
All right. Do you know how old the sister is?
No.
Why did Tucker not want to do that?
Tucker loves his sister.
Did he mention that?
Yes.
In this conversation?
I don't recall.
He said Roderick said he was going to kill the mother and father?
Yes.
And Tucker said he would kill the brothers?
Yes.
Now, he has 2 brothers?
Yes.
Did they decide an order who was going to get killed first, or did they discuss that?
It was discussed that the father was going to go first.
Why?
Kill first. He was bigger and more of a threat.
And of course, Bob Cipriano did not survive that attack. Again, it was a baseball beating attack allegedly carried out by Mitchell and Tucker Cipriano. They were both in court, of course. They didn't show a lot of emotion, though Mitchell Young, who also was referred to there as Roderick, did hang his head down for a bit. He did look a little more emotional, but Tucker, from what we could see, really didn't have a lot of emotion. Again, Tara Edwards was in the courtroom. She's busy gathering a lot of information there for us. We'll have a report from her coming up in just a bit. Joanne, let's go back to you in the studio.
Heart-wrenching testimony, Tom. Before we let you go, though, do you know how police got this friend to testify?
Well, as far as we know, Zinderman in court testified that he was receiving immunity for his testimony. So anything he says in court cannot be used against him. So he can talk about as much as he wants in terms of the crime, the alleged activity planning, and all of that sort of strategy issue before the murder, and he will not be implicated in that. And of course, during cross-examination by Tucker Cipriano's attorney and Mitchell Young's attorney, they of course brought that up, saying, well, you've gotten a great deal in all of this, so this is a great motivation for you to be testifying, considering he admitted, Ian Zinderman there admitted to being involved in breaking in twice that same night to the Cipriano's home before the murders happened. Yeah. The murder happened.
Tom Waite reporting. Thank you.